Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, electric sliding side doors. There's also front and rear parking sensor with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior. The front seats are both heated with massage function. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. It's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 26,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.